I am brand new to Super Hairpieces. Not new to hair systems. I've been wearing those since '95, but brand new to several things. Super Hairpieces, to thin skin, because I've always gone with Swiss lace, and a brand new stylist today. So all that's happening today. A little nervous, but a little bit about me. I've been wearing hairpieces since 1995. At that time, I started out with Hair Club for Men. Customer service, not really good. Overcharged. Ended up finding out about Hair Direct. And was with them until this year, until everything happened. Which was a shock, because I was waiting for hair systems to come in. They were stringing me along, not telling me what was going on. They were due to arrive March. I called and phones disconnected. That's when I found out. And that's when I scrambled to find someone else. So the past month or so, I've been scrambling, looking at different options, narrowed it down to about 5 places, one of which was Super Hairpieces. I ended up going with Super Hairpieces for 3 reasons. Number 1 was the customer service. I was able to get questions answered immediately. I could call back, talk to somebody. I didn't have to leave messages. I got answers to my questions immediately, and they were able to work with me. Another was the videos, especially Rick's videos. He's doing what I normally have done, and they were really helpful. And then the fact that they had what I was looking for. So my background is as an artist. I usually color my hair to an extent, so I look for a high gray percentage and human hair, because I do tint it to blend it. So my hair naturally is about 80% gray and about 50 in the back. It's much darker in the back. My wife wishes I would just dye my hair dark brown or black, like I looked when I met her. I'm not going to do that. So what I do is I get a very high gray and then I tint it with a wash, not an opaque cut hair color, but a wash, like a watercolor wash, where I take a 70% gray and I knock it down to about 50, and I put it on my hair to blend. The benefit of that is, just like a bleached knot on a lace system, if I have 70% gray white roots and then I put a tint on it, but stop about 1/4 to 1/2 inch above the root and blend that in, I have very low contrast at the hairline. I have gray, very light roots, and then my hair gradually darker. The benefit of that, as we know, is a lot of contrast here, dead giveaway. Less contrast, more realistic hairline. So that was a big draw. So those are the main reasons I went with Super Hairpieces. I think I'm going to be very happy with this, but like I said, new hairstylist, we're going to go now and put this on and have it cut in and take it from there. But I hope to make more videos in the future. Right now, I'm really psyched about it. Like I said, the customer service has been outstanding, and I'm anxious to see what this looks like. So thanks. All right, we're doing our cut in here with Jenny's. Say hi. If you're in Kansas, she knows what she's doing. So maybe I'll get you some income from this.
There we go.
And there we have it. Pretty good. Thank you, Super Hairpieces.